So this is me trying to record the noise in my transmission, see if someone can diagnose it. So right now I have no rear drive shaft, and I am in two-wheel drive. So the output shaft is spinning, but there's nothing connected to it, so I'm just sort of standing in place. So clutch in, no noise at all. You hear it a little bit with the clutch out. First. Second. Third, gets a little bit worse. Fourth. And fifth is pretty bad. You can hear it still moving but not rattling once you put on the accelerator. So that's the noise. See if you can diagnose.